Well, I'm in Texas at a very small RV park in a very small lake about 50 miles south of El Paso. And just thought I'd do an experiment because the wind noise on that previous video was horrible. There was no wind. I don't know why it was like that. And listening to it on my laptop that I use on these trips, I have no volume at all. So I'm not sure what's happening. So this is a test. This is just to see if there's volume on this video. So I'm going to post this video and I'm going to post yesterday's video and see if there is sound upon them. So anyway, this is where I am. Pretty little park by a pretty little lake just south of El Paso, Texas.